Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today we're gonna do a beautiful artwork piece. We're gonna turn this beautiful platter into a beautiful artwork just to be placed for decoration. Show y'all just how I did it. First of all, we're gonna start with our bronze. I'm gonna use my antique bronze. I got this from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to do the edges with this. So I'm going to go ahead and start just kind of brushing down. And we're going to do this like a two-tone color. I'm going to paint it with this, then I'm going to let it dry. Then I'm going to come back and paint my other color. Okay, next we're going to do, you can see that, we're going to paint this color. Okay, here we go. Okay, so our blue have gotten dry and our brown have gotten dry. And this is the way it looks so far. So now we're going to paint it black over all of this. Okay, I got my little brush here. So we're just gonna go around and paint it black. Just gonna go all around it with the black. Okay, we are finishing up. It's got a little bit more. And just remember, this is only for decoration. Do not put it in your dishwasher and don't put it in, just don't wash it in the sink. Don't use water on it. We're going to put a sealer on it, but still at the same time, do not use this. Just have it just for decoration. Okay, so this have dry. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our sealer on. And I'm still using a little brush because I don't want to use those other brushes because they're too hard. So these are soft brushes. I think I got these from Dollar Tree. They look cheap brushes, but they good for this type of work, what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put this sealer on it. It just helps to keep your paint from scratching. Okay, I think I got every part that was painted. And now, like I said, I'm gonna let this sit for at least a couple hours just to show you how it look. But then I'm gonna place it somewhere and let it set for about at least 24 hours. And I think we did an awesome job. As usual. Okay, I'm all done. So now I'm going to let this sit for a little bit and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is our final product that we did today. And I think it looks fantastic. What do y'all think? I think we did a fine job. Try this at home. Like, you can use whatever color you like. I decided to use those colors. I think they look fantastic together. We'll see y'all the next time. Y'all be safe and have a blessed day. Until the next project. Bye-bye.